Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Hytale, error applying update to launcher, Hytale launcher binary is not functional, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem occurs when your Hytale's games files are corrupt, so the way you can fix it is by either verifying the Hytale's games files or just reinstalling Hytale on your computer. So I'll show you how to verify the games files first. You're going to open up the Hytale launcher on your computer, and then you're going to click onto the settings button at the top left corner of the launcher, and then you'll have an uninstall button. You're going to click onto that uninstall button, and in there you'll have a verification button. Just click onto it and it will verify or validate your Hytale's games files, and you can try to play the game and check if that fixes the issue. If it does, then you're good to go, but if it didn't, then just click onto that uninstall button again and then click uninstall now and uninstall the game from your computer. Once it's done uninstalling, now you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to go on to Hytale. Just download the launcher on your computer. Once it's done downloading, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the installer, but make sure to run the installer as administrator. So just right click on the Hytale installer and then click run as administrator and run the installer as administrator and install the game. Once it's done installing, now you're going to open up the game, but make sure to run the game as administrator also. So just right click on Hytale launcher, click run as administrator, click yes, and then run the game. Sign in with your account and you'll be able to play the game now. You'll see that your error will have been fixed. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.